Yeah, this side's definitely not as good. It's not even your project.
What happened?
I just busted the tool. If you get this on your clothes,
you're screwed.
I'm done. Good luck. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris at Heatshield Products and I'm sitting in my 1963 Mercury Comet 2-door Custom. Today we're going to rip the carpet out and we're going to throw some DB skin down on the floor. Check it out. Alright, so I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way to pull a carpet out of a car. I just figured let's just He-Man the thing. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so Jackpot didn't necessarily pay for the build, but here's 2 pennies. So pretty much what you expect to see is that jute stuff that's underneath. People use for sound. Super dirty carpet. Boy, whoever put this in used a fair amount of adhesive to put this sucker down. Alright, so this is like an insulating pad for sound. I mean, it's sort of old-fashioned. It's just a bunch of stuff that's piled together that's supposed to keep the sound down. The beauty of the DB skin, it's a paint on, roll on, spray on. It's gonna go down, we're gonna do 2 coats. It's gonna be a nice thin layer when it's finished. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna stop way more sound than this stuff. Alright, so when you start pulling up carpet, I mean, you guys know, sometimes it gets a little scary, but I'll tell you what, this car was built in LA, doesn't look like it ever left California, and there is no rust on the floor, so I am stoked. So we're getting into a little surface rust here, maybe a little hole I need to fix up here. Yeah, this side's definitely not as good as the middle, but it's sort of to be expected. That's basically where the wheel comes up and hits everything. So some holes here, nothing we can't fix. So a little bit of floorboard rot right there. But all in all, it is not too bad underneath there. You know, the car is from 1963, so honestly, these floors look a lot better than several I've seen. So but you know, same old song and dance. Somewhere probably in the late 80s it was rewired. When it was rewired though, it was tapped into the old wiring. So David Toth from Classic Resto Garage is going to rewire the whole car. That's what he's working on here. Oh man. Booyah. This is a real old sound deadening. This is probably left over from when the car was new. It's like a tar-based product. They laid it down. Most guys try to get it up when they're redoing carpet or something inside there. So, you know, for the most part. Somebody had replaced this before. You can tell by this material here. Good riddance.
I thought I was retired from sheet metal work. What the hell, dude? Oh yeah, that looks great.
The funny thing is, it's not even your project.
Ah. Or delete. That was easy. I'm done. Good luck. Perfect. You can just tell by the sound of it if it's good.
Okay.
Good bacon. So it sounds like bacon is good weld. Oh yeah, good bacon.
All right, so we're gonna get started painting the floor of this 63 Comet. I got Shane here to help me because it's sort of a big job, but it's really easy to do. I mean, basically we're gonna paint on one coat, and then we're gonna go back after it dries and paint on another coat. And you can see by the look of this floor, it's pretty much prepped. We probably could have done a better job, but you know, this is
how we work.
Yeah, this is not a show car, so we want to get it back on the road. So take a look at how it looks right now, and then we'll give you an idea of what it looks like after we get done painting.
So we have 50% left. 53%.
Nah, don't worry about that.
Yeah.
We'll just paint it.
Yeah, we're just
This is all B-roll, and then you can cut it down. If you get this on your clothes,
you're screwed.
yeah, don't wear anything nice. If you get it on your arms or hands, it'll come off with brake cleaner. But yeah, wear something you don't care about.
Wet. Pretty wet.
Wear something you don't care about. So as you can see, the second coat of the DB skin dried black as promised. As you can see, this is a super easy project that you can do over a weekend. It's going to really knock down some of the noise in your floor and sound deaden any vibrations away. Alright, so if you like this video, maybe hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment below. We're going to continue on this journey for this 63 Comet until we get it rolling and driving, so you don't want to miss anything. We'll see you on the next one.